Today I want to share my homemade Nutri Poshan Powder. It is made with simple natural ingredients like cashews, almonds, pistachios, walnuts, sunflower seeds, roasted chana and foxnut. I haven't added any sweetener or preservatives. This is a naturally protein rich mix full of healthy fats, fiber and essential nutrients that support daily energy and overall wellness. The best way to consume this is by adding it to milk of your choice, or you may also add soaked chia seeds and flax seeds to warm milk and then mix in 1 or 2 spoons of Nutri Poshan powder. You can add a sweetener of your choice if required. You can also add it to rotis, porridges, smoothies, or use it while making laddoos for a healthy snack. It is suitable for all and an easy way to add nutrition to everyday food. Sometimes the best nutrition comes from our own kitchen. So try this powder and see how you find it. You're definitely going to like it. Your kids are going to like it. So try it and let me know. Thank you for watching.